Hi, this is Gloria, and this is my tutorial on how students can use Educreations to create a document to turn in Edmodo. So we're going to just quickly check and see that we're connected to Wi-Fi, and also we will make sure we are connected to the internet. I logged in on the Gray Salt Lake City School District page, and this is what I got up, and so we will just move out of that and go to Edmodo, and I want to log in as a student, so it's going to look like Wilma Flintstone will be our student today, and she is in this class that I have created. Okay, so you can see Wilma is in her small group there, and you can see an assignment that I've put up called Teen Numbers. So we're going to just put this aside, double click on the home, and we're going to go into now Educreations. And we want Wilma to do this problem. So I'm going to just select a pen here, and I'm going to go 17 equals blank plus 3, I think it was. So we want Wilma to solve for this. And she can either hit record now or hit record after she's done doing the mathematics. You really just need 1 second of recording. That's how Educreations saves the documents. It won't let you save unless you do at least a minimal 1 second recording. So then Wilma would do something like this to solve, and then she would maybe fill in something like this. So I'm going to do 1 second of recording, and then I can touch done, and it lets me save the lesson. I can also start over, but this time I'll save. And I give it a title, and I'm going to call it the same title as the assignment so that it matches, and then I touch next, and I'm going to keep it private, and the rest of this just comes up. We don't really need to worry about that. I'm going to save my lesson, and you can see that it goes right there. So what's important to know now is I'm going to open it back up, and then it gives me an option to share. So I'm going to touch this share button, and I want to copy the lesson link. I found this is probably the best way to do it. So copy, it tells me the link is copied. I go out of Edmodo, go out of Educreations back into Edmodo, and then I'm going to touch this turn in button, and if you see at the bottom, it will let me attach, and the selection I need is URL, and then I'm going to touch this and paste the link that I copied. I'm going to go ahead and load this, and you see it shows up as an Educreations lesson. So the last step is to attach, and then up at the top right, submit. So that is how a student turns in an assignment using a document from Educreations. Okay, continuing on, now we're going to talk about turning in a document from Notability into Edmodo. So we're going to open up Notability, and we're going to, you see that I've done the problem here, and I want to turn this in. So I'm looking for a button that looks like a share button. And here it is, and you can see it allows me to open in, so this right here, and I'm going to just click on that, and if I scroll over, there is Edmodo. So it is this app, Notability, connects with the Edmodo app, and it lets me turn in the assignment. You can see the other choices there, but today we're going to do turn in with assignment. And which assignment do I want to turn it in with? The team numbers one. So I'm touching that. There it is. It's a PDF. I'm going to, it's already attached. I don't need to attach anything else. If I wanted to add some notes here, I could type something in. But otherwise, I'm just going to submit. And if we go back here into groups and we go to our small group, you can see that I've submitted it. You can resubmit. It lets you just update or improve upon or do another version of a turn-in of an assignment.